The vibration platform is a revolutionary piece of equipment designed to destabilize the body, increasing muscle activation, improving balance, core strength, and flexibility. With a large non-slip platform measuring 20 by 12 and lined with textured material for greater traction, this platform is both safe and effective. The adjustable speeds, ranging from 0–180, allow for a customizable experience, while the 5 pre-programmed modes provide variable speeds throughout each 10-minute session. The removable resistance bands make it easy to incorporate upper body workouts into your routine. With a standard 110-volt plug and dimensions of 20 by 12, this platform can support up to 400 pounds. Using the remote control, you can easily start, adjust, and stop any workout session. Care instructions include wiping the platform surface with a damp cloth and avoiding submerging the platform in water. Get ready to take your workout to the next level with the vibration platform.